Hey guys, I'm here with the Gmade Bomber GS02. This is the ready to run. I'm excited to get this out on the backyard course. So I really want to jump into this unboxing, but first let me lay down a little bit of information for you. Width of the wheelbase is 230 millimeters. The height is 220 millimeters. Total overall length of this truck is 515 millimeters, while the wheelbase still stays at a 1/10 scale, 313 millimeters. You can get optional parts for this to make it a 2-speed from the factory, but the ready-to-run version comes with only a single speed, but you can run 3S. So let me get into the different features here. The shocks, they come in 3 different ways that you can mount them. Let me go ahead and unbox this right quick. That way I can show you what I'm trying to explain. If I spin it the right way. Grab it out. Oh. It comes with more packing stuff. But these rear shocks, you do get spare goodies. Shock oil. These are your 3 different positions for your shocks. You can have them as the way they are in an A form, or you can have them out on like a traditional trail crawler, straight up and down, or you can even fold them in with these brackets. You mount them and you can change your shock position to whatever you want. This is a versatile, ready to run. Let's see here. Get extra servo horns, all the goodies, ready to run. Manual is a have-to. So without further ado, I think it's time we run this.
I made it.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, she's recording too.
Oh, you give up?
Yeah, I give up on it.
Can you get her up here? That's just how that side got dug up. We're driving that prisma on it. Oh. That's tough now.